Step 1. Click on File /Save As /Browse /File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM /Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert /Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Amend line 8 of the code to get the file path of where you want the Word documents to be exported to after it has completed, and include a / at the end of the file path. Step 2. Amend the names of the sheets in lines 14, 16 and 18 to the names of the sheets that you want it to be for. Step 3. Amend the cell range for each of those respective lines of line 15, 17 and 19 and 21 so that it looks at the specific cells that you want it to export to, as lines 22 to 26 will apply for each respective sheet, and line 28 will apply for the remaining sheet. What it does, the code will look through each and every sheet in an Excel file, and will export all of the data from all of the sheets into a series of PDF files equivalent, and will then save them down based on the names of the sheets in the file path, and it can be amended based on the different ranges for the different sheets. Also, if you wish to apply more sheets, amend the lines so that more lines are included with the same indentation.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.